I am Alan, and this is RepoPath. RepoPath helps developers learn from real repositories and prove what they can explain independently. The idea came from my own experience using AI to build projects. I could move quickly, but after closing the chat, I sometimes couldn't explain how the complete system works. RipplePath addresses this understanding gap for students and early career developers learning on familiar code bases. I use 5.6 Row Codex as both a reasoning and an implementation partner. For each task, Codex first inspected the relevant resource, tests, contrasts, and non-issues, and then gave it one bounded goal with a clear success criteria. We follow a closed loop, define the goal, updating the contract, implement a focus change, run deterministic checks, and record values. Changes were verified through test, type checking, linting, agent evaluation, and the browser flows. My main lesson was the capable model is not enough. Reliable results also need clear authority evidence validation and a human starting point. RepoPath reads a public GitHub repository at a fixed commit and creates a structured learning map. It connects product capability, technical systems, reusable concepts, and repository evidence. The learner selects one objective and records a baseline answer before receiving help. RepoPath then creates an ordered evidence-backed lesson. And if you don't understand what's the code meaning, you can ask the tutor. After the lesson, the learner completes a different ESIC test testing the same objective. The assessor receives the baseline answer, ESIC answer rubric, and repository evidence, but never the tutor transcript. The result shows that what was demonstrated, what remains uncertain, and which evidence supports the judgment. So together, these stages form an audible learning loop. Baseline lesson, instinct test, isolated assessment, and evidence-linked progress. RepoPath doesn't only explain code, it helps the learner prove that they can explain it themselves. Thank you for listening.